Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. See the next question. Identify the acidic character of the following: para-nitrobenzoic acid, 2,4-dinitrobenzoic acid, 2,4,6-trimethylbenzoic acid, 2,3,4-trinitrobenzoic acid. First of all, write the structures for these compounds. See here. This is structure 1. Para-nitrobenzoic acid. NO2 group is present at para position. COOH. This is structure 1. Structure 2. 2,4-dinitrobenzoic acid. Second and fourth positions have NO2 groups. This is benzoic acid 2 and 4. This is fourth position. Third one, 2,4,6-trimethylbenzoic acid. Benzoic acid, this one, second position. Fourth position and sixth position. 2,4,6 trimethyl. This is benzoic acid, CH3, and this one also CH3. Okay. Fourth one, 2,3,4-trinitrobenzoic acid. Fourth one, see here. Benzoic acid, 2, 3, 4 trinitrobenzoic acid. Okay. Now NO2 is a electron withdrawing group. CH3 is a electron donating group. Withdrawing group is present, acidic character increases. Electron donating group is present, acidic character decreases. So this compound third having least acidic character than remaining three compounds. Now decide the acidic character order for remaining three compounds having NO2 group. Now for this, one NO2 group is there. For this, more two NO2 groups are there. Here, three NO2 groups are there. From this, we can say more electron withdrawing groups are present, then acidic character is more. Here, two NO2 groups are present at different positions. Different positions means not in the adjacent positions. This is second position, this is fourth position. So, this structure 2, what are the effects we can observe? See here, structure 2. COOH, NO2 group. In this, minus I, minus R effects of two NO2 groups, two nitro groups we can observe. Since NO2 group is a electron withdrawing group, we can observe negative inductive effect, negative resonance effects for these two groups. And next, say this one, COOH, structure 4 I am writing. Here, how many NO2 groups? 3 NO2 groups. You may get a doubt. In this, more electron withdrawing groups are there than this one, then its acidic character is more than this. But this is wrong. It has less acidic character. See here, NO2 group is present at ortho position, meta, para. Now, minus I, comma, minus R effects at ortho, comma, para positions. But only minus I effect at meta position. At ortho and para positions, two effects we can observe: negative inductive effect and negative resonance effect. But at meta position, we can observe only minus psi effect. And another one is due to steric hindrance. Due to steric hindrance, resonance effect is less. Resonance effect is less in this compound. That's why its acidic character is less than this compound. What about the next compound? NO2. Only one NO2 group is present. That is this one. In this, what are the effects we can observe? Minus psi and minus R effects. Effects of nitro group we can observe. But this compound acidic character is less than these two. In these two NO2 groups are there, two types of effects we can observe. So its acidic character is more. In this, though it has three NO2 groups, its acidic character is less, because at meta position we can observe only minus psi effect but not minus R effect. And another reason is due to steric hindrance, for this resonance effect is less. In this, only NO2, one group is there, one nitro group is there. So we can observe minus psi, minus R effects, and these effects is less compared to these two. And last compound, that is this one, COOH, CH3, CH3, CH3. So in this, CH3 is an electron donating group. So we can observe plus psi and hyperconjugation effects of three methyl groups we can observe. Hyperconjugation, positive resonance effect and hyperconjugation effects we can observe. It has three electron releasing groups. That's why its acidic character is less than all these compounds. Then what is the correct option for this? Option C is the answer. So option C is the answer. Second compound greater than fourth one, greater than first one, greater than third one. Okay, students.